Hello, and welcome to an epic exploration of storytelling, the hero's journey. In this captivating adventure, we'll embark on an odyssey through the stages that underlie every great hero's transformation. From the ordinary world to the return with the elixir, we will uncover the secrets of this timeless narrative structure. Let's use the example of Shrek to understand the hero's journey structure. Every hero's journey begins in the ordinary world. It is the familiar backdrop where our hero resides, providing the baseline for their transformation. This world acts as a canvas on which the hero's evolution is painted. For Shrek, the ordinary world is where he lives, in a swamp, and enjoys his solitary life. But the hero's tranquil existence is shattered by the call to adventure, whether it's a message from the unknown, a puzzling problem, or a disturbance that challenges their status quo. It is the catalyst for change. The hero's journey is set in motion. For Shrek, he receives a visit from Lord Farquaad, who demands that Shrek rescue Princess Fiona from a dragon guarded tower so that Farquaad can marry her and become the king. Yet, the hero doesn't leap first head into the adventure. Instead, they wrestle with the internal dilemma of change versus comfort. It's the refusal of the call, the crucial moment when the hero contemplates the road ahead. Shrek is reluctant to go on the quest, but eventually he agrees to help Farquaad in exchange for his swamp being returned to him. In this crucial juncture, the hero encounters a mentor. This wise figure imparts knowledge and responsibility, instilling the confidence to accept the impending challenge. Shrek meets Donkey on the road to the tower, and Donkey becomes his friend and mentor. With newfound resolve, the hero crosses the threshold. Departing from the ordinary world, they step into the realm of adventure, where the unknown awaits. Shrek and Donkey cross the threshold from the ordinary world into the special world when they enter the dark forest. The adventure world is a place of wonder, trials, allies, and adversaries. The hero makes friends, faces enemies, and confronts challenges that push their limits. It's a journey of self discovery and transformation. Shrek and Donkey face a similar series of stress and challenges along the way, including a group of fairy tale creatures. They also make some allies, such as Puss in Boots and the Gingerbread Man. At long last, the hero reaches the heart of the adventure, where the ultimate challenge lies. This innermost cave holds the key to their quest. Shrek and Donkey approach the dragon guarded tower, where Fiona is being held captive. The hero faces their darkest hour. They seem on the brink of defeat or death, only to rally and find a way to overcome the insurmountable challenge. It's a moment of rebirth, where they emerge with newfound strength. Shrek faces the dragon and defeats it. He then rescues Fiona from the tower. Having conquered the greatest challenge, the hero claims their reward. It might be treasure or knowledge, but it's rarely what they expect to find. Shrek and Fiona fall in love and get married. In a moment of reflection, the hero realizes it's time to return to the ordinary world. They must escape the innermost cave and begin the journey back home. Shrek and Fiona return to the swamp. The hero crosses the threshold. Returning to their ordinary world, they have transformed, seeing the familiar with new eyes, appreciated things they once took for granted. Shrek and Fiona defend their swamp from Farquaad's army. Back home, the hero uses the treasure or knowledge gained during the adventure to benefit their ordinary world. It's a journey of personal growth that ripples into the world, just as the hero has been enriched by their experiences. Shrek and Fiona defeat Farquaad and live happily ever after. Shrek's journey transforms him from a lonely ogre into a loving husband and father. He learns to accept himself for who he is and to open his heart to love. He also learns that he is capable of great things, even if he doesn't look like a traditional hero. The hero's journey is a universal template that applies to countless stories. It's about change, personal growth, and the lessons learned along the way. By connecting to the emotional essence of such stories, we undertake the journey from the hero, learning morals that resonate with our own experiences. If you found this exploration of Hero's Journey enlightening, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting adventures in storytelling. Stories are the compass of human experience, and we are here to navigate them together. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for our next storytelling quest.